It was almost sunset when Ahmed realized he'd left his math notebook behind. The old building loomed at the edge of town like a sleeping giant. After 5 p.m., the hallways turned silent, except for the creaks of old wood and the whisper of dusty ceiling fans. He could have just waited until tomorrow. But something about leaving that notebook behind made his chest feel tight. His seat was by the window in classroom 13. The room everyone avoided after dark, not because something had happened there, but because it felt like something could. The sun had nearly dipped below the horizon when Ahmed walked back through the school gate. The security guard yawned and waved him in lazily. "Make it quick, kid. I'm locking up," he mumbled. The corridor was cold and still. Ahmed's sneakers squeaked softly on the floor as he moved toward the far end of the building, the oldest wing. The tube lights overhead buzzed and flickered, making everything feel wrong. Classroom 13 waited at the very end. He pushed the door open. It creaked like it hadn't been touched in years. Inside, everything was exactly the way he left it. Chalk dust on the teacher's desk, a half-erased equation on the board, a few chairs out of place. His notebook sat on the second row. As he reached for it, CHHHKKK. CHHHKKK. His heart jumped into his throat. The chalkboard. The chalk was moving on its own, scraping out shaky letters one by one. YOURENEXT. Ahmed stumbled back, his breath catching in his chest. This wasn't tired eyes. This wasn't his imagination. The chalk fell to the floor with a soft tuck. Then the door behind him slammed shut. He rushed to the handle, yanking it, but it wouldn't budge. The lights flickered once, twice, then everything went black. Darkness swallowed the room. Ahmed fumbled for his phone, switched on the flashlight, and aimed it at the board. The writing was gone, but in the center of the board was a single white handprint, small, like a child's. A cold breath touched the back of his neck. He spun around. Nothing. Then, from the corner of the room came a sound, a soft, broken giggle. "Who's there?" His voice shook. No answer. Chairs started to scrape against the floor. One by one, they dragged themselves into a perfect circle around him. Ahmed backed up until his shoulders hit the blackboard. That's when he saw her, a girl. She stood in the beam of his flashlight, wearing an old uniform, her hair in 2 braids, her face pale as chalk. Her eyes were black. Completely black. Chalk dust floated around her like smoke. The flashlight flickered. She tilted her head. A whisper, dry, hollow. "You shouldn't have come back. Who are you?" Ahmed gasped. She didn't answer. She slowly lifted one hand, and the chalk on the floor rose into the air as if pulled by invisible strings. It dragged across the board again. "NEXTI. I just came for my notebook," he stammered. She glided closer. Her feet didn't even touch the floor. "Next," she whispered again, but now her voice echoed, as if 100 whispers were layered on top of each other. Ahmed lunged for the door again, twisting the knob with all his strength. It moved, but something on the other side pushed back. A cold, invisible force. Then the lights blazed on. Every wall, desk, and inch of the ceiling was covered in white chalk writing. The same sentence, over and over. She never left the classroom. She was right behind him. He could feel her cold breath against his ear, and neither will you. Her icy hand pressed against the back of his neck. It burned. Ahmed screamed and slammed into the door. It burst open. He fell into the hallway, gasping. The lights were flickering wildly. He turned. She was still standing in the doorway. Smiling, she raised her chalk-covered hand and pointed straight at him. The word "next" appeared behind her in glowing white letters. He ran. Lockers slammed open. Windows cracked. His footsteps echoed like something was chasing him. When he finally reached the front gate, the guard was gone. The lock hung open. Ahmed sprinted into the night air, shaking, too terrified to look back. The next morning, the classroom was spotless. No chalk writing. No handprints. No sign of a girl. Only Ahmed's math notebook sat open on his desk. On the first page, written in chalk, was a single message: "See you soon. Moral: Some classrooms never forget their last student. If you love spine-chilling stories like this, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next scare.